So just taking a look at Avalanche then on the daily time frame. It's shaping up very similar to a lot of these larger altcoins. I think Cardano, and obviously we've got Cardano, we've got Link, quite a few cryptos, Elrond as well, eGold, Multiverse, whatever you want to call it. A lot of these larger platform cryptos have all moved very, very similar in the recent months. You can see here, obviously, Avalanche is no exception. I've just looked at Link and it's got a very similar chart to this. It basically had that, you made those two descending peaks which form your bear market resistance. You have your whole bear market, you come down, you consolidate here. Avalanche is a little bit different because it did sell off a bit more and didn't really make a clean range like Chainlink did. It had a bit more of an extension to the downside here. But you can see it came down, swung into this area, just down here at around just under $10. You can see we got down to around, what was this, $8.50 here. And I think at this point you'd probably be looking at, once you get down to around 90-95% correction, you can see just under 95% corrected there. That's when you really do start to see your bounce in the market for a lot of cryptocurrencies. You can see here Avalanche is absolutely no exception whatsoever. And once we got down to that level, you can see where there's massive bounce to the upside. People having absolutely none of it back down here. We got above our 100-day moving average very, very quickly. We ran up to the first level of resistance, that 0.23 Fibonacci at $17. Completely smashed it. We come all the way up to the bear market resistance, get a bit of a sell-off, and then more continuation, smashed all the way through the 0.38 at $25. We smashed all the way through the 0.50 at $35. And then we ran all the way up, perfectly touched that 0.618 Fibonacci at just under $50, a big psychological target, obviously. Just zooming in here, you can see just how close this actually got. Pretty much a perfect test. We touched it for one day, that 0.618 at $50, and then instantly got the sell-off over the past week or so. Obviously a little bit more of a sell-off that we've seen because of Bitcoin, that bearishness regarding a rumoured ETF rejection, which saw the whole market drop quite significantly. And now we're just sitting at the previous level of resistance flipped into support right now at the 0.50 at $35. So really not that much to say about Avalanche whatsoever right now, other than that this chart looks hella bullish. I can't believe people bought this for 85 cents on the launch. I mean, that's absolutely wild, isn't it? Look at this massive instant, almost 10x move. Excuse me. And then obviously that massive continuous sell-off, another run, and then another run. I mean, imagine buying this for 85 cents and then selling it for $150. Ridiculous. That's like 170x or something crazy. And then obviously the massive sell-off back down to around $8.50. And now really Avalanche looking like, it's just going to start working those fibs going into the next bull market, looking very, very tasty indeed. Right now just consolidating at that support. And we will see where we go next. Very, very exciting indeed.